Download our app available from the App Store and Play Store. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's daily bulletin. The first confirmed case of Omicron's XBB.1.5 in India has been detected in Gujarat, according to NCDRC data. The Omicron's XBB.1.5 infection was confirmed in December. XBB itself is a recombinant of two different BA.2 subvariants of Omicron, but its descendant XBB.1.5 carries genetic data from two versions of the coronavirus that originated from the BA.2 subvariant and is believed to have a tighter bind to the ACE2 receptor, which would explain its higher level of transmissibility. Upholding the order of the State Commission, the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission recently held a surgeon from AIIMS New Delhi guilty of negligence for cutting the left phrenic nerve of a patient without obtaining a proper informed consent. As a result of the inquiry to the left phrenic nerve, which had to be cut to remove the anterior mediastinum tumor, the patient suffered paralysis of diaphragm and loss of voice. While considering the matter, the Apex Consumer Court bench upheld the order of the State Commission, which had earlier awarded a lump sum compensation of Rs 1 lakh to the patient. The Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India, a body under the Ministry of Commerce, has suspended the membership of Marion Biotech Private Limited after the company failed to reply to it on the report of children's death allegedly caused by the firm's cough syrup in Uzbekistan. The drug maker will lose some incentives due to the suspension. The incentives offered by the DOC through Farm Excel will not be extended until the suspension is revoked, according to sources. About 27,868 BDS seats and 6,823 MDS seats across 318 dental colleges in India, the recent data revealed by the Union Health Ministry has shown. The Health Ministry has recently provided this update on the year-end Initiatives Achievements 2022 data released by the Ministry under EWS scheme promulgated under 103rd Constitutional Amendment 2019. The DCI has recommended 468 additional seats at UG level at 31 government dental colleges and 47 PG seats at 16 government dental colleges for the academic year session 2022 and 23. The document also informed about the various reforms in dental education, including the draft National Dental Commission Bill.
Researchers at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center have discovered a novel immunotherapy combination targeting checkpoints in both T cells and myeloid suppressor cells that successfully reprogram the tumor immune microenvironment over time and significantly improved anti-tumor responses in preclinical models of pancreatic cancer. The researchers used high-dimensional immune profiling and single-cell RNA sequencing to study how the time is affected by a variety of immunotherapies. They identified specific immune checkpoint proteins, 41BB and LAG, that were highly expressed in exhausted T cells. A recent study highlights some of the warning signs of burnout and suggests that people who tend to be perfectionists are more likely to veer into burnout due to their own unrelenting standards. Now, what is burnout? With the worries accompanying pandemic lockdowns, the pressures of inflation and other life stressors, many people are feeling at the end of their tether. For some people, the cumulative effect of these prolonged periods of stress can result in burnout. Unlike normal tiredness, the experts suggest burnout symptoms include constant exhaustion, emotional numbness, and confusion at home or in the workplace. In past decades, the safety of many probiotics available to consumers was anchored in knowledge of their long history of safe consumption in humans. However, the range of probiotics is expanding to include non-traditional probiotic strains which may bring health benefits but are not typically present in food sources and do not have a history of safe use. A group of industry and government scientists convened under the auspices of the United States Pharmacopeia Probiotic Expert Panel recently set out to review current approaches to assessing the safety of probiotics from a scientific perspective, while also looking at what regulators currently require. The newly published paper summarizes scientific frameworks for assessing the safety of probiotics used in foods and dietary supplements, including the importance of comprehensive genomic characterization. The paper questions the value of animal testing for probiotics intended for human use. Further, the paper considers emerging technologies for safety testing as well as how manufacturing practices play an important role in the safety of the final product. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.